Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can turn off a low battery notification on any iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, you're simply gonna go ahead, open up your shortcut app that will be on your phone. Otherwise you can simply search, or you can simply install that from your app store. And now tap on this automation option, tap on this new automation, and simply choose this option of battery level, and go ahead, simply choose this battery level to what level you would prefer low battery level notification to come. You can set to whatever percentage you would want. So once you have done so, choose this equal as well, and make sure it's toggled here on after confirmation as well. Now tap on next and go ahead, search for a low power mode. You can see when battery level is 20%, it's simply gonna ask. And now you're gonna go ahead, tap on this done, and you're going to tap on this run after confirmation, and tap on this option of don't run, and I can tap on done. Now even if your iPhone is at 20% battery, it won't show you the notification because you simply have added that way. You can see the disabled option you're going to find. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.